In this video, I will show you how to link your LinkedIn Learning account to your normal LinkedIn account. So to do this, what you want to do is first open up LinkedIn Learning and then follow these steps right here. So select Connect my LinkedIn account and provide the login details for the profile you'd like to connect. Now this is to reconnect your LinkedIn profile to your learning license after disconnecting. To reconnect your LinkedIn profile to your learning license after initial login, log into LinkedIn Learning, click your photo in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down that appears. Then below connect your LinkedIn account to your LinkedIn Learning account provided by your organization, click Connect my account. Then log into LinkedIn Learning again, and if you agree to the terms and privacy policy, click Accept and Continue, and then it will be reconnected. So now you know how to link your LinkedIn Learning account to your regular LinkedIn account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.